Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about different types of semiconductor. So as we know that semiconductor materials, that is semiconductors, can be classified into different forms. The first thing, types of semiconductor, is denoted by pure semiconductors. The second one or the second category is the intrinsic semiconductor, and the third category is the extrinsic semiconductor. So let us first discuss this pure semiconductor. Pure semiconductor means a semiconductor which is 100% pure. 100% pure means, suppose we are considering a silicon semiconductor, then if we say that a silicon semiconductor is a pure semiconductor, it means that inside that semiconductor material there will be only silicon atom, no other atoms will be there inside the silicon atom. So we can say that in pure semiconductor only the semiconductor element will be present. That means no other atoms other than semiconductor will be there. This pure semiconductor is an ideal concept because practically pure semiconductor material cannot be found. There must be some amount of impurity in the semiconductor that is found in the environment. So this pure semiconductor material is an ideal concept or a reference concept. So we will move to the second case, that is the intrinsic semiconductor. In this intrinsic semiconductor, the semiconductor purity will be 99.99% pure. That means there will be some impurity atoms present inside the intrinsic semiconductor. There may be some intrinsic impurity atom present, but the total concentration of electrons, that is the free electrons, will be same as the total concentration of holes present inside the intrinsic material. Now for the extrinsic case, this is a impure semiconductor, and this impurity that is there inside the extrinsic semiconductor are deliberately given to change the characteristics of the semiconductors. And here the electron concentration, E concentration, is not equals to the hole concentration due to this deliberately given impurity inside the extrinsic. Now these extrinsic semiconductors are further classified into two groups. The first group is that where the electron concentration will be greater than the hole concentration, and the second group is where the electron concentration is less than the hole concentration. So when the electron concentration inside the semiconductor is greater than the hole concentration, then it is called N-type semiconductor. In the second case, when the electron concentration is less than the hole concentration, then it is called as P-type semiconductor. So these are the different categories or different types of semiconductors that are there in the practical world, but this pure semiconductor is not practically feasible in the real world. This is an ideal concept, and this ideal concept is nothing but a reference with which we can compare all the other semiconductors. So this is all about the different types of semiconductors. Thank you.